It's not about me. It's about APGA people. I'm sure you know if you were in APGA, it was only in APGA that there was quite wide jubilation on the day of that election when the results were announced. And the people have been expectant, waiting for this judicial seal, which we've received today. So the court has just reconfirmed that massive vote that they got on the 18th of March.
Now we have right to appeal to the Court of Appeal, to the Supreme Court, and we'll pursue to that point so that the relevant sections of the law will be interpreted properly by the courts. The Apex Court, do you understand? Because a situation where the tribunal said today that membership of a political party to contest an election does not matter. But that is a clear provision of the Constitution. If it does not matter, the Constitution wouldn't have said so. The Constitution says you must be a citizen of Nigeria. You must have been educated up to a certain level. They are referring to honor against Okafor, which was decided under the 1979 Constitution, where this provision does not exist. So we'll get to the Supreme Court. We are learning every day, so that the Apex Court will tell us the provision of Section 177C of the 1999 Constitution